Tell me about the monsters. So are there good monsters?
No. One's bad.
Uh-huh.
And one's good.
Oh, what do they do?
A good one fights a bad ones, but they don't fight us. But a bad monsters fight us. And the good monsters don't, and they fight it back.
When the bad monster fights us, what happens?
There's a good monster appears, then one more comes. Jasper one.
A Jasper good monster comes and fights them? Oh, good.
Yeah. And then there was a sister one that was named River.
And what did that monster do?
Fake. Then he acts if he fight because a monster and I defeated a monster first, and he had a gun, and he said to him he can't have them. Can I look at the pictures on your phone?
He said that what?
He had a gun, and that's not a and he had a sword. But I said no guns in the house, but no guns. But I don't.
Did he listen to you?
Yeah.
Did he take the gun out of the house?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
And then he got a different. Then he got a sword, another sword because his other sword broke. Now he got a new sword. Then it didn't appear yet. Then he didn't appear and he asked me if he can have a sleepover, and we made a bed for him. And he got to sleep downstairs in the living room.
And that was your monster? He sounds like fun. Did he spend the night at your house?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's good. Then he became became a good monster then?
Yeah. Then he went back home.
Then he went back home.
And had to sleep.
Oh, good.